Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Lily. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I just finished my dance class this afternoon, and I feel really excited. I wanted to talk about my experience and get some advice from you. Do you attend dance or fitness classes often?
Yes, I do. I go to a dance class twice a week. I've been dancing for a few years now, but I remember when I first started, I was very nervous. How did you find your first few classes?
At first, I was a bit scared because I did not know many dance moves. But our teacher was very kind and patient. She explained every step slowly. I learned basic moves like turning, stepping, and moving my arms in rhythm.
That sounds like a good start. I remember my first class too. I found it hard to follow the steps at first, but I practiced a lot after the class. The teacher gave us simple exercises to do at home.
Yes, she did. After class, I practiced in my living room for about 20 minutes. I played the class music on my phone and tried to repeat the moves until I felt comfortable.
Practice is very important in dance. I also practice with a mirror at home so I can see my posture and movements. It helped me improve a lot.
I don't have a mirror at home, but I plan to buy a small one soon. The teacher mentioned that watching yourself dance can help correct mistakes.
Definitely. When I saw my reflection, I learned how to keep my back straight and my feet in the right position. It made a big difference in my performance.
I also enjoyed the music we used in class. The upbeat songs made me want to move and have fun. Even if I made mistakes, the music made me smile.
Music is a key part of dance. It not only sets the rhythm, but also lifts your mood. I find that if I focus on the music, I forget about my nervousness.
That is true. I felt the same way. I try to listen carefully to the beats and let my body move naturally. Sometimes I even close my eyes and just feel the music.
That's a great technique, Lily. It helps to relax and enjoy the dance. Do you have any favorite dance styles?
I really like contemporary dance because it allows a lot of expression. I also enjoy learning a bit of jazz. Our class mostly teaches modern dance routines, which are fun and energetic.
I like modern dance as well. In my class, we mix modern with a little hip hop. It is very dynamic and keeps you fit. I think the mix of styles keeps things interesting.
Yes, variety is important. Sometimes I find certain moves very challenging, especially when the steps change quickly. But our teacher always encourages us to take our time and practice slowly.
I remember that advice. When I struggled with a difficult move, I asked the teacher to show it again. She told me, practice slowly, then you can speed up. That really helped me.
Exactly. I also ask my classmates for help. We often practice together during breaks. It makes the learning process more fun.
That's a good idea. Dancing in a group makes you feel supported. I have a few friends in my class, and we sometimes meet outside of class to practice together.
I would love that too. It helps me build confidence. Also, do you have any tips for beginners? I know you have been dancing longer than I have.
Sure, Lily. My first advice is to be patient. Learning dance moves takes time, so don't be discouraged if you make mistakes.
I agree. Sometimes I feel frustrated when I can't get a move right, but I remind myself that practice will make me better.
Exactly. Also, always warm up before you start dancing. A good warm up prevents injuries and helps your body prepare for movement.
Yes, our teacher always begins the class with a warm-up session. I now take it seriously and do stretches for at least 10 minutes before dancing.
That's very important. And don't forget to cool down after the class as well. I like to stretch my muscles after a session to reduce soreness.
I do that too. Cooling down makes me feel more relaxed after a hard workout. Another tip I have is to wear comfortable clothes and shoes. They make it easier to move and prevent injuries.
That is good advice. I always choose proper dance shoes and clothes that allow freedom of movement. It makes a big difference.
I also found that taking care of your body outside the class is important. I try to eat healthy and get enough sleep so that I have energy for the dance sessions.
Yes, nutrition and rest are key to performing well. I try to have a balanced diet and avoid heavy meals before class. I also drink plenty of water during and after the class.
Drinking water is very important. I sometimes forget, but now I carry a bottle with me to stay hydrated.
That's great, Lily. Every small habit counts. Also, try to enjoy the process. Don't focus only on perfecting every move. Dance is also about expressing your feelings and having fun.
I understand that now. I used to worry a lot about making mistakes, but I'm learning that it's okay to be imperfect. The joy of dancing is more important than perfection.
Absolutely. Every dancer starts as a beginner, and every mistake is a step towards improvement. I remember when I first started, I couldn't even do a simple step without falling.
That must have been funny to watch. I sometimes fall, but I get up and try again. It makes me feel more determined.
Determination is key. Keep practicing, and soon the moves will become natural. I was amazed at how much I improved after just a few months of regular practice.
That is very encouraging, Tom. I feel that every class teaches me something new. I learn about rhythm, balance, and even how to express emotions through movement.
Yes, dancing is a complete experience. It improves both your body and mind. It helps you feel happy and confident.
I completely agree. I also enjoy the social part of the class. Meeting other beginners like me makes me feel part of a community. We share tips, laugh at our mistakes, and encourage each other.
That community feeling is one of the best parts of dance classes. I have made a few good friends, and we often practice together outside the scheduled classes.
I would like that very much. Maybe we can meet up once a week for a practice session, or even to watch a dance performance together.
That is a wonderful idea, Lily. Watching professional performances can also help you learn new techniques and inspire you to try harder.
I agree, Tom. I have started watching dance shows on TV and YouTube. It gives me ideas and helps me see how professionals move.
It is amazing how technology has made learning so accessible. You can watch tutorials, dance battles, and even live performances online.
Yes, and sometimes I record my own dancing on my phone to see how I look. It helps me notice mistakes and work on them later.
That is a very smart approach. I sometimes record my practice sessions too. It is a good way to track your progress and see how far you have come.
Thank you for sharing your advice, Tom. I feel more confident about continuing my dance journey now.
You're welcome, Lily. I enjoyed our conversation. Remember, every dancer has their own pace. Keep practicing and have fun with it.
I will, Tom. I am excited to learn more and improve my skills with time. Thank you for all the encouragement and tips.
My pleasure, Lily. Let's keep in touch and maybe plan a joint practice session soon. It's always fun to dance with friends.
That sounds great. I look forward to it. Have a wonderful day, Tom, and keep dancing.
You too, Lily. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, Tom.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.